Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's here while I'm like, today we're gonna be doing color blinded on my blindfolded slime challenge. So we have like, so we're not getting started yet. We have washable color glue, so we don't want to wash it. And we have some what is this?
That's saline solution.
Saline solution. We have this, and we have like some baking soda, or whatever it's called. We put it in and put it inside with the glue first. So let's play here.
You gonna say who you're with today?
And we have Wade with me to do it. Well, Levi's not really doing it. He's just doing that. So let's get started.
Get blindfolded.
Get blindfolded.
Can I help Levi?
Yes, sure.
Yeah, put yours in. You don't need to be blindfolded. Logan's gonna help.
Okay, do we just get 3?
Keep your eyes. 3, 2, 1, go. You can take the cover off.
I can't get this in.
Do you need help?
Do we put this cover
You can pull
off?
the whole cover off.
I need to put.
Like I did for Levi.
Cover? Is this the cover?
Yeah.
Of what? I don't know what this is. I think I put it too much.
You gotta put it all in.
Damn.
Wait, can I have a spoon? I get this.
I'm putting it all in.
Yeah, put it all in.
Now, what else do I lose? This? Do you lose this? Do you lose this?
Wait, how
Not
do you
yet.
What do we do after all this slime?
What, this one's tall.
Don't peek, I saw that.
Okay, do we do this?
Not yet.
Give me the baking powder. I need
Baking
the
soda, but Wyatt has the measuring spoon, so you gotta wait. Give it to Wyatt so he can use his measuring spoon.
Can
Don't
you help me?
Is it
Okay,
not? Levi,
I
Levi,
need the
coming
baking
out.
soda. I need to have it.
Well, for me, just
Give
make
it
it
a
a bubble.
Can I
The
open?
spoon?
No, the bowl. The bowl.
Can I open my eyes?
Or maybe this is
Do I
both
put
of
my,
them.
put my face mask off? I'm just gonna pour it in. Can I take my face mask off?
You only want, you think you got a tablespoon yet? Give Wade the spoon in case he wants to do it. I think you're good.
Give me the spoon.
I think this might be old glue.
I know.
Wait,
Because it's so hot.
it's not coming out.
Is Jordan new? And mine and Levi's are
Wait, don't get home!
Hey, dump it out.
Hey, that's why.
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. We told we cleaning it.
Wait,
No, Wade, you only need one.
Oh.
I'll do Levi's a
Now you gotta mix it up and then, hold on, I'll get you some other glue.
I got my spoon. Now
Now
I'm
mix
mix
it.
No, Levi, don't. I'm gonna get
Mixing.
Give me a... Wait,
I'm mixing.
gosh.
Here, Logan.
No, wait, we don't need it. Right now. We
We
don't
don't
need it.
get out of them. I was just looking what just fall down. I didn't look at my stuff.
Oh my...
So let me just. It's your glue. I don't know if I'm good yet. It's your glue, Wade.
It's blue.
It's blue?
I know,
Yeah.
I just looked at it.
No, wait.
Wait,
I just can't look at this.
And I'm waiting to tell you, and I did not even go. No, wait, why? Look out.
I can't. Because we have to be blindfolded.
Look.
You guys
No, I was just
You guys are purple.
No, I was just white. And we
Hey,
can't.
Mom. Is mine okay?
Sure.
It's okay.
If you think it's ready, you can do, you want the spoon to do your saline?
Mom, is
the-
mine okay too?
That solution? Sure.
Mom,
Or if you think it's ready for the next step.
Okay, I'm ready for this part. Now let's mix it. Give me mine. I'm putting this in.
Hold on, Logan. Logan's got
Mom,
it.
I'm putting this in.
Okay, but you have a spoon to do it.
Oh, that feels like I've just
You gotta put in 1.5 tablespoons.
This is
You didn't
gone.
open it, Wade.
Wait, how do we open it? Wait. It feels like water because it's spraying all over me. What is it? How do we open
Take
it?
this
Mom?
out.
What is it?
Okay, Wyatt, maybe you should stir it and work with it and see what you need.
Take this.
Oh, this is wow.
Do you stir it? You can start, is it playing with it?
Wait,
If it's
can I
too
throw
sticky,
it?
add more of
Can I
that stuff in it.
put
Start moving it, Wade.
Ah!
I'm putting powder away.
I'm starting to stir.
Okay, well, stop supporting it. Start playing with
Does
it.
anyone have a paper, a
Put it right
napkin
down,
next
put it
to me?
down, put it
Because I
down.
just fell and it's so... I think I'm
There, right in front of you, go.
Did it? I wasted all.
Oh,
Ooh,
okay.
it feels
Mix
nice.
Mix it.
Is it slime?
Feels like it.
Can you play with it?
I can
Get
pick
it out and you
up.
can play with it.
I think I got it all now.
Oh my gosh. Alpha makes a lot.
Yep.
I think this is broken.
I think this is broken. I
My
think I
phone-
didn't do good.
My food is
Okay.
broken.
I think I'm good.
You got slime there?
Too much.
That's
It's too
fine.
watery. It feels too watery.
Done.
I don't
Oh
know.
my gosh.
I'm gonna probably make another.
Logan, you need, not that. Logan needs that thing by Wyatt's elbow. Can you make something with the slime?
Wait, how do
Yeah, put some in. I'll tell you. You put it. You gotta take the cover.
No, play with it until it gets done.
Yeah, you can play with it to make your slime.
Oh my gosh, it looks like phone
It's not
is
slime yet.
going. Why
Mom,
does
it's
it
not
look like phone is
slimy
going potty?
Does
It's
anyone
look
have
at
wet?
phone is going
Okay.
potty.
Mine is soap. Mine is soap too.
Oh, you said
Well.
yours.
Keep squishing the water out of it, I guess.
Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna put some more dye.
Yeah, why don't I have a blindfold on? I don't want everything to get to
How
me.
do the thing
Pour
that's
that
next
in.
to my elbow? No
Pour that
water
in.
stuff.
No, you don't want more if it's wet.
Oh my gosh, dude. Oh my gosh, what is this?
What, Mom? Where are you?
This is
I
cute.
think I succeed.
You think you
That's
succeeded?
fine, that's
Let me
fine.
see you play with it like a
That's
slime.
fine.
Hey!
It's not.
You are
You
peeking.
guys can let Logan be the judge
Mom,
and see who does a better
What
job.
if you guys see Wade peeking?
No, I'm
Do you
not.
guys see Wade peeking?
No, I'm not. See?
Do you
He's
guys
not
see
peeking right
Wade
now.
peeking? He was literally peeking
No,
to
I'm not.
grab my slime.
Okay, how about you each, if you think you got slime there, give it to Logan and he can be the judge at who did the best slime.
It's
Wait,
fine
after
now.
I'm done with Levi's.
I
Yeah.
can hear Logan's voice, so I know where it is. I can hear your voice. That's how I know where you are. Well, I already know where you are because I started off next to you.
Me too. That's how I took this one.
Then you don't even know where my hands are.
Can I make this blue? Yeah, I'm making this blue.
Because I feel the air of your
Nothing's
hand.
coming out?
Like glue.
Wait.
Can you guys play with slime? Like how you would normally play with slime? Can you stretch it?
Let me
Does it stretch?
Yeah.
Let's see who can stretch it. Keep stretching it until it breaks. Ooh. Who can get longer? That's not very long.
What's weight?
In his hand.
No, the
Oh.
Is
Oh,
this
I
the one?
must have
Yeah,
took
it's down there somewhere.
There
Wait,
you
it's
go, a
open.
little longer.
Is it
Yeah.
opened?
Yeah, it's probably all gone.
Oh. Wait, Levi, don't mix it. Don't play with it, okay?
Mine the longest so far.
Well, Wade stopped trying to be long.
No, it's
Oh,
not.
yeah, yours is longer than Wade.
Ooh. You can move.
Oh, this is hard. What, Mom? I think it's because my slime is not done.
That's not.
I don't know. Can we
if
take off
you're
the blindfolds now?
No.
Hey. Oh yeah.
And Logan, you want to, is it, you need to add more of the liquid. Add more of the
Wait,
liquid.
you sprayed all that water on me. I just sprayed the water at him.
No, maybe we used that bad glue. We should have probably taken it out. Try it now. If it doesn't work, that's because probably that glue was bad. Try it now.
Let's do that one.
Use your hands. Try it with your hands. Get it in there with your hands. Does it feel like
I
slime?
think I could succeed.
No?
I think I succeed.
Yeah.
Succeed.
You
I
succeeded?
can take off my blindfold now.
Okay.
It
You got
feels
your
like
blindfold.
it feels like there's.
I think mine is
I
going
think
giant. I think
whatever-
mine is the winner.
I don't know. Logan, feel them both and see which one seems like it's more like
Yeah,
slime.
this one's bad.
Yeah, we'll start all over when the video's over.
I think
Which one
I'm
can you
dying.
make that bad. Okay, give your
I think I could take
slime.
my
He's
one.
gonna decide
I
who
know,
has
I
the
think I
best.
could
Which
take
one
my
are you having
slime
more
too.
fun?
Whoa.
I'm stressed.
You
You said it didn't involve it. Wait.
Hey, you just got gum.
Hey,
It
give.
was smells bad.
Wait, give me it. Toss it.
Which one seems more like slime?
This one still has puddle on it.
Does it? That's okay. Which one is more like
I
slime?
have a
What one feels like JC's slime?
I know
It's
tried
like the
I tried one, but it's like real.
Which one do you think you'd buy at a store when you buy slime? Which one feels more like it?
It feels like it's mixed,
Okay,
Yeah.
so which one do you think is the winner?
but mine has squiddles.
Who's the winner?
Levi.
Levi's the winner?
Yeah.
Levi won!
Well,
Leave
who
it.
actually did win?
Well, look at your hands are blue.
What that did do?
Look, I made a punch away.
Logan,
A
who's
banana.
actually the winner?
It is.
He gave it to Levi.
Wait.
Levi can be the winner.
No, it's
No, wait. I thought I started with it.
it's both of us start with a W.
Hey, the winner to me. Levi's the first one. The second one is.
No, you can't
Wyatt.
count Levi.
It's
It has to count me or Wade.
No, me win.
Fine.
No, we'll
He
let
didn't
Levi
really.
win this challenge.
But he didn't really. Logan, pick.
No,
won.
we'll let Levi.
Yeah, this one's actually really good.
Oh, the yellow's
think
really?
Bye.
Yeah.
No, because I can make a pencil.
I can make a pencil.
Can do it. Look,
I can make a large pencil.
I'm going to find it.
No, he can make. He likes mine. I kind of feel like mine. Logan, look at me. Can I slime back, Logan?
Wait.
It's nice.
Wait, we have to challenge who can make the biggest pencil. Did it.
He's like, no.
Why? I think
Levi's
I made the biggest.
Wait. Can I have my slime? Let me have that.
Wait, Levi, stop.
I know. I didn't believe. I thought why would be at the biggest one. Wait. That kind of feels nice. I thought this one feels nice.
Levi,
It feels like sugar. No, it feels. It feels like. Oh, that feels disgusting.
Oh, I made a snake. I made a snake.
Logan, look at mine.
Cool.
I think I need this.
Oh.
That's a you.
I did not do that.